Hi, I'm Lana. Look at these birds. I am in Southport today, feeding seagulls. There's so many of them.
They are everywhere.
Some seagulls fly very close to me. Some walk near my feet. And some take bread from my hand. They are fast. They are brave. And they are always hungry. I also see many swans near the canal. They move slowly and calmly. They look elegant and proud. There are pigeons as well, and some ducks swimming in the water. This canal is very beautiful. It never freezes in winter. That is why many birds live here all year. Some swans come out of the water. They walk slowly on the but the seagulls are much faster. Sometimes the seagulls take everything. Feeding birds makes me feel happy. Simple moments like this are special. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.